Tabak! Ah!
Make sure you
Oh.
fill this cup, ah. Careful, careful.
Careful, careful!
Don't try so that you can have water.
Come on, faster, Alison!
Si Alison sa aso na nagdala eh.
Later, they're playing. They're playing.
Ganyan, oh. One more, Ate Alison.
Lapit ka na!
Atina, you see, nakita mo? Tagalog. Ayoko na. Mia, look at Kuya Shasen. Copy Kuya Shasen.
Oo. Dali niya, Ate Alison. Malapit na. Dali, Ate.
Ate Alison.
Oo.
Ang laki ng HD.
Kaya age ano nila eh, differential eh. Pagod na oh. Mamaya pagod yan. Mamaya pagod na yan, tinan mo.
Mia, help Ate Alison. Gali.
Hey, Alison, get the timba.
Get the timba.
Get the timba, get the
Get
timba.
the timba, dali.
Give one more, Ate Alison.
Ate, I'm helping you, Ate. Come on, let's
Go, go, go. Put more. Let's go.
Yung si Yung Samira. Yung Samira.
Mira, dali help Ate Alison. Help Ate Alison.
Help Ate Alison.
Wala na.
Wala na naman.
Help Ate Alison.
Yay!
Gusto niya nakatingin sa akin. Oh, you need to play if you want the prize.
See, he's helping.
Ate Mira, help Ate Alison.
O dali, help Ate Alison.
Help Ate Alison.
Bigyan mo na lang ng chips si Alison.
Hindi, dalawa meron doon. Marami dyan, marami.
Yay!
Kuhain mo yung prizes.
na?
Yung bag na prizes.
Kuya Sassen won. But
Yes, Ate.
Okay, okay, that's practice. That's practice.
Let's include the other kids.
okay, next naman.
Okay. Oh, who will be next?
Ate, good job.
Oh, wait lang, Ate Alison.
Ate Alison, ha? Hey, next. You wanna play? Bigyan na lang natin sila ng ganito mahal. Yung mga bata.
Oo, kasi pagka... Matagal-tagal pa yan.
Next, Samira and Ate at
Si, si Simone.
Ito ka na. Hindi, Athena ba?
Nalilito na naman